So let me show you how to reboot your Galaxy Z Flip 7 into safe mode. So if you're trying to troubleshoot or for some reason you need safe mode, here's how to do it. So you want to go to the power menu. Okay, you can do that, or you can double or long press the volume down and power button. Either way, it's going to lead you to the power menu. So tap on power off. Now, instead of tapping it again, you need to touch and hold the power off button, and you can see it now changes into safe mode. And then now you can tap it, and that's going to reboot your phone into safe mode. So there you go, we're now in safe mode. Of course, you'll still need your passcode, but as you can see, it says safe mode at the bottom here. Okay, so that's how to get into safe mode. Now to exit out of safe mode, simply restart your phone. Okay, so to the power menu again, just tap on restart and confirm you want to restart, and it's going to restart back into the normal operating system and get out of safe mode. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.